Welcome viewers, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are diving a crochet baby frock. Creating a handmade crochet baby frock is super fun and easy. First, pick soft and colorful yarn to make it cozy and adorable. Use basic crochet stitches like chains and single crochet. They are like the ABCs of crochet. Start with a simple pattern, maybe a basic 8-line shape. Crochet in rounds to form the frock's sweet-like body. Adjust the size easily by adding or reducing rounds. Think about cute details like ruffles or a pretty border. These extras make the frock extra special. Don't worry if it's not perfect. The handmade touch is what makes it charming. Choose buttons or cute ribbons for fastening. They add a lovely finishing touch. Make sure everything is secure for the baby's safety. Consider making matching accessories like a teeny hat or booties for a complete look. These mini outfits are perfect for special occasions or everyday cuteness. Crocheting a baby frock is a great way to practice your skills. It's like making a teeny masterpiece with your hands. Enjoy the process and celebrate each stitch. It's all part of the magic. Personalize it by selecting colors that bring joy. Maybe pastels or vibrant hues, whatever makes you smile. Imagine the baby looking adorable in your handmade creation. You don't need fancy tools, just a crochet hook and some love. This project is perfect for beginners. Follow simple tutorials online for guidance. Once finished, gift it with pride. Handmade baby frocks are treasured speakers. Share the warmth and love stitched into every loop with the little one. In the end, making a crochet baby frock is a joy and simplicity. It's a small handmade hug for the baby, filled with warmth and care. So grab your yarn. Thanks for watching this video.